Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and someone today was asking me, Larry, I know how I can comment on people's posts on Bluesky by clicking the comment icon, and I can leave, like, a GIF, if I want, of, like, a thumbs up or something, and I can post that, or I can post, like, my full written response or whatever, and I can hit reply, but how do I go about seeing all the other comments that somebody has left on a post out in the wild? And the simple answer is you just gotta click on the post, and then you should be able to see everything that everybody else has posted and talked about. So you can kind of look at the conversation that they're having, and you can reply to other people's comments on a post so that you can engage in a conversation with strangers on the internet. And it's really just that simple. The way that you see who's interacting with a post is you just got to click on the post. You can also see some other information here, like you can click on these three dots, and if this isn't in your native language and you don't know what it says, you can have it translated. You can copy the post text, although I don't think there's any text on this one. You can send this via a direct message to another person. You can copy a link to this, which is what this icon here is. This is the share button. So now I've copied a link to this post to my clipboard, and I can share it with other people. I can embed this post on a website or a web page. I can mute this thread so I don't see it anymore. I can mute words and tags from this particular post. I can hide this post, or I can report this post as well. But for the most part, if you want to see what people have said, just click on the post, and you should be able to load all of the different comments that you see that are listed here underneath of the post itself. Other than that, I mean, you can comment, you can repost it on your own profile here. 83 people have chosen to do that. You can also quote it when you click on this. And then you can like it as well if you like, and join the myriad of people who are like, yeah, I liked that comic. And then that's how you do that. That's how you interact with posts on Bluesky so you can be part of the conversation. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.